Right, I think I'm live right now. I stopped on this executors and pools last time, तो वहीं पे अभी कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ. Just a second. Right. Yeah, I went like not pretty deep, but I just decided to learn a lot about executors, futures, all of that stuff. Why do we need them? तो yeah, मतलब learned a lot. थोड़ा लोअर मिल गया मेरे को. Okay, so let's just start from the beginning now, just to understand what's going on. In this chapter, we will look In this chapter, we will look in depth at concepts such as thread pools and process pools, and how we can work with Python's implementation of these concepts in order to futures. We'll also continue with our progress on the website code that we created in chapter 5, communication between threads, by adding functionality such as writing the results to a CSV file, refactoring a code to use different. Okay, cool. Simplify the amount of work we have to do with regards to handling threads and processes. Concurrent features. Concurrent features are futures are a feature. Can be used in a number of different ways, such as by itself or as a context manager. And it can drastically improve the legibility of a code by handling tedious tasks such as thread creation, start, joining, all in one go. Creating a thread pool executor. The first step we need to know is how to define our own thread pool executors. This is a simple, rather one-liner. How to define? Okay, yeah. Thread pool executor. Cool. I need some code though. Preceding command, we instantiate and pass in the maximum number of workers that we wanted to have. In this case, process any jobs that we submit to it. In order to give the threads within a thread pool executor something to do, we can call the submit function. It takes in a function as its primary parameter as like this dot submit. Basically the target function. Yeah, it's basically an array of threads. The thread pool executor. In this example, we'll put together both the creation of the thread pool executor object and the submission of tasks to this newly instantiated object. We'll have a very simple task function that will simply simply sum up the numbers from 0 to 9 and then print out the result. Not the most cutting edge hardware, I'm sure we have agreed. What? A fairly adequate example. This is the task that they need to do. Executor, task 1, task 2. हो गया. What the fuck भाई, crazy हो गया भाई. I'm sorry. uh, हाँ. It gets the job done about creating. Thread creation is expensive. So far we have seen that the thread's life cycle is usually a thread is created, thread starts, thread does the one task that is handed to it, target function, thread dies. Pools don't let threads die. Here, once a thread completes its job, it goes back to idle, waiting for another task, thus eliminating the need to create threads for every task. More succinctly, pools help us decouple threads, decouple tasks from threads. They help us decouple tasks from threads. Also, pools don't create a huge reserve of threads slash processes from the get-go ready for use. They still do it lazily. Okay, I think I might have been wrong about this. Like, you can control the number of workers you put in a thread. So what? In an executor. In context of concurrent programming in Python, are pools the same as executors? Damn, dude, work. Here, the future is simply the placeholder. We can use this future object to simply the placeholder. We can use this future object to fetch the result later. What does it do once the task is done? I think I messed up. Is this what you meant? Yeah, this is what you meant. Sorry. Oh, लिखा है वहाँ पे. I'm sorry. Task. Okay, I'm sorry. देखा नहीं मैंने. Task executed. Okay, threading the current thread. Thread will executor. समझा नहीं. Can you help me understand this output to the test.py file? Yeah, मतलब both tasks run on separate threads. Wait for all of the tasks to complete. That's the distinction. Prevents new tasks from being submitted. Terminates the worker threads and releases resources. Yeah. The worker threads in a thread pool executor are internal to the executor. Normally stay alive between tasks. Yeah, you'd have to get references to these actually, not easily exposed. Call join on each one. Is more of a wait for all submitted tasks to finish. Yeah, I think I understood what you mean. Let's add the statement. Might educate us. मतलब बाद में शायद कवर कर लेगा वो. नवा जो है.
हाँ 8 जाऊन जाते हैं सर.
हाँ. All of the tasks have been finished. It then ends the threads. to say that all worker threads are by are daemon. To prevent to make them non-daemon. तो executor फिर इसमें करते क्या हो आप? ओके, विद दिस इज एग्जीक्यूटर करना क्या है फिर इसमें? सबमिट कमांड ही यूज़ होगा क्या? Second, possibly the most popular method of instantiating threadful executor is to use it as a context manager. Sorry. using thread executors as context managers. Get this code, समझ नहीं गया code. Processing 2. Oh, that's the function argument. I'm so fucking sorry. Yeah, फिर ठीक है. Task and a tuple of values. God. सही है मतलब. When we execute the last program, we see that it prints out that we are starting out a thread pool executor. Like, see, let's just do it now. Matlab, I'm curious. Take this to test. Remove the shutdown wala command. By the way, that looked like redundant syntax, no? ये हटाओ. Or more like executing our task. And then time.sleep for 10 seconds perhaps. Chalo. Import time. Let's just see what happens here. Python test. It's not supposed to wait, no. What? समझा नहीं रहे मेरे को ये टास्क कैसी हो तो गया तो पॉइंट क्या है फिर all of the tasks have finished. Okay, give another task, chalo. Give more tasks than there are threads. यार चल तो गया what the fuck तो what's the point मेरे को समझा नहीं I don't trust this guys man what the fuck probably exited if your tasks were fast enough let's go back then dude what the fuck It's it still did the third task. Okay, let's have like a fuck ton of tasks right now. No, no, had to be. No, no, that's not what I meant. Better. One, two, one, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How, dude? How? Ah, this makes no sense. Okay, we'll call shutdown. It makes no sense, but we'll call shutdown. Fucking hell, man. When you execute the last program, you will see that it prints out that what? Yeah, yeah. Maps in Python allow us to do cool thing. Why are we on maps suddenly? Maps in Python allow us to do cool things. Certain function to every element within iterables. Function time out now. For value and values. Oh, come on man, इतना भी कितना फर्क होगा भाई इससे? This makes more sense to me. I don't care. This makes more sense to me. Fuck you. My legs hurt. I went to tennis today. My legs hurt. My body hurts. I'm dead. Gone. This example will use this new map function in order to apply multiple. हाँ भाई, chill. Fine, same thing it is. As you can see, when we execute preceding program, computer does exactly what we expected.